In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel on ClickFunnels. So start by logging in to your ClickFunnels account. Then next in the left panel, click on Add Apps. So here, simply look for Site and Blog. So click on it and add the app. Now once added in the left panel, click on Site Settings. So if you scroll down, you'll see here Facebook Pixel ID and Facebook Access Token. So these are the two fields that we need to fill out. And to get this two in a new tab, head over to Meta Business Suite and log into your Facebook account. Then next in the left panel, click on All Tools and click on Events Manager. And here you'll basically see your Facebook Pixel ID, and all you have to do is copy it. Just make sure that you get the right Pixel ID that you need. So next, go to Data Sets, then click on Settings. So here you can copy your dataset ID by clicking on it. Now go back to ClickFunnels and paste it in Facebook Pixel ID field. Now go back to Events Manager, and from here scroll down until you get to the Setup Direct Integration section. And here, we're just gonna click on Generate Access Token. Then next is select the same data set with the same pixel ID that you got earlier. Then click on Generate Access Token. Now, once the token is generated, simply click on the text box to copy it. Now go back to ClickFunnels and paste it under Facebook Access Token field. And once done, you can scroll to the bottom or to the top, then press Update Site to save your changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!